What up, YouTube? It's been a while. I feel like it's been like a month. I've been busy. I've been busy. Clean my glasses here. Well, here's the skinny. Either we go short or we don't. Right now. Right now. What do y'all think? We're about to find out. BFO. Gotta shave. Maybe tomorrow. Let me open up YouTube. Let me just see something quick. Hold this. I don't know. Not terrible. How do I still have people in here? I haven't been live in forever. Okay. We got a couple things to look at. But for now, you know, I don't think we have to go too far back right now. We can do that another day, because I haven't been here for a while. So, and I think we may have a long coming in. So we're gonna kind of scoot right through. This is it. Okay. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Like, I think a long is about to happen. I do. I really, really do. So, let's take a quick peek here. We're going to start the daily. Now, I've started the weekly. Fucking. Bull divs. SFP. After SFP, we came down. We touched that golden pocket. Or if we didn't, we came damn close. So I don't know. I ain't surprised if we bounce here. We got 5-day bull divs. Right? 5-day bull divs coming in strong. 4-day bull divs coming in strong. Money flow's still coming out though, right? So we do have some interesting stuff to look at, which is, we'll get into it in a minute, but bullish divergence here on the 3-day, okay? It's starting here, coming in, look, boom, boom. You see it? And we're in a high confluence area for a bounce. We have all this liquidity to grab, all of it, and then this is all BS. So if we break above this, I expect high to come up into here, if not even take it and come into here. But this is all money. So if we come above this high, 67, 67.3-ish. Why wouldn't, you know? What is this? Oh, I see. 2-day bull divs, right? We don't have it from back here, but we have it locally, right? The lower time frame you get, the more localized you want it. Right, same shit here. Like this to me is looking like it's ready for a relief. And if it does start to confirm, obviously we have to close above this 67.3, right? 67.260, 67.276. It has to, right? That's its place. If it doesn't break above that confidently, we'll rotate right back down. Right? You look at the daily, what's next? Either we're taking this high or we're coming back down for this low. Right? It's pretty straightforward. 16-hour bull divs, money flow, you know, whether we get the chop or not like this, I don't really care, because I'm looking at this. Right? That's more important to me. 12-hour, same crap. 10-hour, same crap, right? This is not rocket science. It's right in front of our faces right now. Right, look at the 6-hour. Look at the structure on the 6-hour. Excuse me. So, because we don't have two down candles here, that particular pull does not count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we break above this. We may break above it, have a little rejection here, but I'm going to assume we're going to run the highs and come up to here. I assume it. At some point. Right, maybe something like this. That's a horrible drawing, but, you know, and come for the high. And then, obviously, we have to, well, I'm hitting caps, that's why. We have to take this. If we don't take this high, we rotate back down. Right? Confidently. And if we get above this, you know, this is the next liquidity right here. That zone. It's that simple. I'm done. That's all I got. Just fucking send it. Fucking send it. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know. It looks good, right? So now we're down to the 5-hour. Fuck the 5-hour. Let's go to the 4. 4-hour, what do we have? Money flows in the red, but it looks like it's curving up, right? Bullish divergence. Baby, we have like flat bottom here and then this. Yeah, so flat bottom and then we have the curvature. So the reason why, if we do take this high, I would anticipate this is because this is, you know, we can have a couple more of these, get some nice curvature on this. So that's what I'd be looking for. We need it. Yeah, look. Guys, this is... We're all on the same page, right? You're seeing this? I'm not making this shit up. Let's just leave it. 3-hour. 2-hour. Yeah, so I mean, what am I seeing? I'm seeing, it looks like we may have some strength coming in. I'm not saying we're not going to reject here. This is a rejection zone to come down, to come back up. I'm not saying we're not going to reject and come back down, take the low. I'm not saying that. I am saying it looks strong. If we do reject here, I will be looking here for longs. Be looking here for longs. I'll be looking for another SFP for a long. And if we break above this and this, even if we don't get this, we get above this, I'll be looking for this. Like this too, right? That would be a major shift. Remember, if we get above the 8-hour structure here, I don't know why I'm the worst with this. Oops. Whatever. If we get above this stuff here, right? 6 hour. If we get above this high, in theory, we should probably take this high. Maybe hit our heads a little bit, come back down, and go up. Because after that point, you know, after these two highs, the higher time frame you get, structurally speaking, this is the next high. Right? Yes, this is a high. It's an internal high. Plus or minus. That may not even have been a pull on this particular time frame. Doesn't matter. Right? So we get above those. What are we looking at? Right? Maybe. Possibly. A lot of bull dips. Remember, a lot of bull dips. Now what? What am I supposed to do now? So the hourly bull divs, I mean, if you really want to pull this internally, I'll just pull from here. No, because this candle screws it all up. Go to the 30. Yeah, I'm telling you, we're going to go. We're going up. It's a fact. It's not a fact. It's a fact. Here's a better one, right? Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Take them all. Retest into what? An imbalance. Boom. Order block. Boom. We go. So, next high to be taken on this time frame and on this time frame, right? Yes, I get it. These. But this. Ultimately this. Right? And we may blast right through, bang our heads here, come back down for the retest. Obviously, this would happen over here. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Right? This top down. Remember that bullish divergence, right? We have it here too, right? The 30 minute. Let's go to the hourly. Bullish curvature, bullish divergence. Bullish, I mean, bullish divergence too, but we have that nice bullish curvature, and now we have that localized bullish divergence, nice trigger wave. Boom, we go. Right? We have it on the hourly. We have it on the 30 minute. We have it on the 24. We have it on the 15. Like, we have it on the 12. Do we have it here? We even, so, right? So now in these higher time frames, right? We come back down, right? You have the bullish divergences, right? On the 15, the 20, the 30, the 10, whatever, the hourly, you have it here. We break structure, we change character, right? We get bullish, right? We take these highs. Mainly this high is one that I really care about on the particular time frame I was looking at. Took it, we retest, and now what? Now in the 5 minute, you come down into your zone. This one got me here. I ain't gonna lie to you, right? It wasn't the 5 minute lower time frame though. It got me, right? I thought I had it right here. It's a goodbye, but because we have the bullish divergence here too. Look, then we have another bullish divergence, and we came. I had a limit lower. I had a limit here. We didn't get that, but nonetheless, it happened. It played, right? Everything lined up, and here we are. What's the next stop? Well, in theory, this long is this TP1. And then after that, you target the high, or the 786 of the range. ranges inside of ranges. But I mean, this isn't one big range, is it? What am I doing? This is one big range. Oh my goodness. It's even bigger here. We can have a huge move coming. I don't know if it's ready yet, but at some point. At some point. Right? There's all this bullish divergence, 2 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, I can only expect us to take this high and even a bare minimum come into this guy here, this fib and this order block. But ideally, in a perfect world, pull the whole thing if you want. Up here for another rejection, right? Fine, get up in here, range a little bit, lower time frames. Put in some higher highs, put in some lower highs, a little divergence area, you know, a little ish going on. And confirm the potential drop back down to the lows. And or just a retest. We'll see how it looks. I would love, because this is the thing too, right? If it comes up, it can come right back down to here and then go, and then decide to take this high. Sorry. But yeah. That's it. Like I said, we take this high. I'm looking here. You bet your bottom dollar. I'm looking right here with these guys. Yeah, that is. This particular move down. Here we are. Yeah. I like it. This is strong right here. This is going to be strong. I would love this of some sort. Long, TP1, TP2, TP3. Look for the short for the bigger play. Yeah, that's it. Catch me outside. How about that? That's pretty solid. That's all I got. That's there ain't nothing else. There really isn't. Like, it's that simple right now. We have that, and we got this guy. We still got this guy for a long, for anybody who may be looking to get long down here. This guy. Right, because if we come down, it'd be retrace of this move, so I'd expect this impulse, the structural move, whatever you want to call it, yada, yada, yada. I'd expect it to go back up, right? So so on and so forth. What we got up here, I'm going to take some profits here, and then I'll trail a small piece, but I'll be looking for a short heavy, 100%. That will not be the trade in particular, or exactly at least, but not particularly. But that's going to be it in a nutshell, plus or minus somewhere, one way, shape, or form. You know, something like this. scammers in the Klein chat. All right. All right. What else we got? Who's hitting me up in the DMs? What we got here? This fucking guy. No. Such fucking scam. Stop scamming people. Bastards. Who I got in here right now? I got a viewer? Maybe? Probably not. Anybody watching? See this curvature, right? Boom, 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 boom. Right? Boom, 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 boom. 30-minute. Yep. Here, look at that. Looks pretty on the 15, right? It's been tough. It's been choppy stuff after this drop. Not really, but maybe for you. Maybe for you guys. Gotta be patient, right? Madonna mia. Madonna mia. See, like this would have chopped me out if I got in and did that, but I was looking at this. Almost to break even. Problem is, you don't take this low until here. So there really wasn't much. Jay, miss you, buddy. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing well, whatever the proper term is. What do you got to say, Samuel? Love those ideas too long, not so much if you take 61 first. Well, I went down to the 4. What? Well, if we... No, long story. But no, I did not. I'm getting to it another day. But no, I'm still looking. I mean, if we take this high, if we take 61, I'd be looking for the short for another long. That's all. That's all. Hold on, the wife's texting me. Hold on. No, I don't. Well, I mean, maybe at some point because, like I said, the daily, for instance, like we can come all the way up to 63, 64, 67, and then completely take that low. So, yeah, I think I just think we're moving up. I don't know how high just yet, but I'm feeling good about it. Yeah, I should be good for that, Jay. I mean, they just went with another candidate, that's all. But they hired me on the spot and then withdrew their offer. So, just frustrating. Well, what you gonna do, man? Tough. It was nice. It worked around a lot of trading. It worked around my daughter's schedule. It would have been very convenient. Very convenient. But yeah, I hear what you're saying, Jay. 100%. But, in a nutshell, we go up unless we take 59.4. We take 59.4. We look for longs. Yeah, until we see, the problem is until we take 58.3, there's really, you can't say that we're going lower, right? We need to flip that hourly internal low. So I gotta take a picture for the wife. Hold on. Really like 59.4, 59.200. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, 59.4 all the way down to 58.3. It's a good zone. Yeah, here we go. See, it's pumping. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. All right, that's all I got though. I'm not gonna beat the dead horse here. You want anything? You want me to look at anything specific, Jay? Oh boy. Yeah, I got nothing else for you. Jay, appreciate you, brother, as always. Yeah, let's try and chat tomorrow. I don't know what my plan is tomorrow. Nicole's working all week. Hallie is having her first sleepover at the in-laws. So I don't know if I'm going to go there in the morning or if I'm just going to get her tomorrow afternoon. But hit me up regardless. We'll figure something out. All right, bro? SpaceX. Is that the ticker? Is this the IPO or whatever the heck it's called? What just, hold on, let me look it up. Let's see what they say. Yeah, this is the IPO. You want to know why is this not going back all the way though? I thought it was before that. I thought it was like early June. Whatever. Oh wait, no, that is, Jesus. The 12th, yeah it is. I thought it was the 26th. I'm fucking fried. Look at this, man. Dude, I can't tell you how many people were hitting me up saying, should I buy, should I buy, should I buy? And I said, if you bought already, you should sell. You know, it's funny, like, Bitcoin does this in like a random week. I don't know. It broke bullish again, right? Oh, let me pull this up. I just have to pull it myself, Jay. Don't love it, don't hate it. See how different it is? See how different this crap is? When you do it yourself. So we did break. Okay. Let me go to the hourly. Oh, it's too early for that crap. It's too early. You can't. You got to go by like the 15. Hey, you need more structural points. Excuse me. That was a big yawn. I apologize. I don't know how this stuff reacts though, right? I'm a crypto guy. Money flow's coming out still. So I'll pull it here, right? On the 15-minute, it's saying we broke bullish. And I don't love that little hiccup. But if you pull it, if we pull it ourselves, right? 1, 2, we take the low. It's weak, but it's still a structural point. I don't care what anybody says. I'm not saying this downward price is wrong, but I am saying it's actually, no, it is healthy. It is healthy. So we did break on the 15th. It's not bad. Biddy's going. Yeah, so if we do get a flip, Jay, I wouldn't shy away. We got nice bullish divergence coming in, because if you take, let's do this. 5 minute from the low, pull it for me, baby. Yeah, see, on the low, this is just a retracement. So the 5 minute, too much BS. Too much BS. Broke bullish. Broke bullish. I don't know. We have bullish divergence though on these low time frames. If you, I don't know if we're going to get the retrace because, you know, we got a false one here. But we have it on the 10 minute, right? We have not been faked out on the 10 minute yet. So if you get this break, I'd probably be going off the 10. I'd probably feel good off the 10. But I don't know shit about it, dude. I don't know shit about it. Everyone thinks they're going to become millionaires right now. That's how I know they're not. Everyone and their mother. Good enough to your mother. All right, Jay. It's time to go. Peace out, brother. Later all.